Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA Tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Dread Fate from Fortnite. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. So first of all, I'm gonna draw her hoodie with a curved line across at the middle point right there. Semicircle turn downwards at the side and turn it diagonally outwards below that. Semicircle turn back inward at this lower point. I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side here as well. And I'm gonna make the two lines meet in the middle point right there. Inside of the hoodie on the left, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards, a diagonal turn to the chin in the middle, semicircle turn at the chin, and I'm gonna copy the same face shape on the right side as well. Below the head, I'm gonna draw a line down on both the left and right, and a curved line diagonally to the lower point in the middle on both sides. Now for her mask, I'm gonna take this middle point and draw a curved line across, turn it diagonally up at the side, turn it upwards, and diagonal turn back out at this upper point, diagonal turn back down at the outer corner, and below that I'm gonna draw a curved line diagonally up to the outer corner and turn it upwards. A line to the side of the face at the outer corner, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the left side here as well. Below the eye, I'm gonna take this outer corner and draw a line downwards, diagonal turn to the middle point, semicircle turn right there, and turn it downwards. I'm gonna copy the same thing on the right side here as well. At the outer side, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line inwards, semicircle turn downwards. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the left side right here. And in the middle point, I'm gonna draw a curved line down on both sides. Above the eye at the outer corner, I'm gonna trace the same outline as the eye at this upper point. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side here. And for the patterns on her forehead, I'm gonna take this point in the middle and draw a line down. Sharp turn back up on the left side, diagonal turn upwards and out. Turn it back in and up. Sharp turn back down and diagonal turn back to that point. And we're gonna do a similar shape on the right side right here, and in the middle point of that shapes, I'm gonna draw a triangular shape right there. Now I'm gonna trace the same line of the hoodie at this outer corner, and from the side I'm gonna turn it further away from the inner line and turn it upwards to the center point above her head, semicircle turn across and turn it back down on the right side, and I'm gonna trace the same shape as the lower point of the hoodie on the right side as well. Extend it diagonally to the left at the lower point, sharp turn back up on the left side. Now below the hoodie, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line to the left and downwards, semicircle turn downwards and slightly inwards at the lower point, diagonal curved line across to the right side at this lower point, and turn it downwards at that corner. On the left side, I'm gonna draw a curved line down, turn it slightly inwards towards the waist and turn it back out below the waist. Below that, I'm gonna draw some curvy line downwards and turn it to the right at this lower point and turn it upwards with some curvy line at the side here as well. Along that shape, I'm gonna draw some diagonal curve line across right there and at this top point as well. Now at the side of her hoodie on the right, I'm going to draw a line out, sharp turn back inwards, diagonally to the left, semicircle turn downwards at that point, and a line downwards. At the side of that on the right, I'm going to draw a curved line upwards, turn it sideways to the left, and a curved line on the right side here, turn it downwards, semicircle turn back down and to that point. At the side of that, I'm going to draw a diagonal line out to the side on the right and turn it downwards. Below that, I'm going to draw a line downwards diagonally, and I'm going to do the same thing at this upper point upwards. Curve line inwards at that corner and turn it back outwards at the shoulder point. Sharp turn back in with a curved line to the left, and going back to the tip, I'm going to draw another diagonal curved line inwards. Coming out from that shoulder pad, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards at that corner, another curved line below that, and for the inner line of the arm, a curved line downwards, curved line across at this lower point, and another one below that. At the side, I'm going to draw a line down. Below that, continue the line of the arm downwards, curved line at the side right there, continue the line downwards, a few curved line on the inner line right here, and from that lower point, I'm going to draw a diagonal curved line upwards to the right to the elbow point, sharp turn back down at the outer corner, turn it downwards and all the way to the wrist. Diagonal turn back up to the inner line with a diagonal curve line, turn it upwards, and at the side of that I'm going to draw a similar line right there, turn it towards the left with a diagonal curve line, and join the two ending points together at the side. Below that, for her hand, I'm going to draw a diagonal curve line inwards, turn it down all the way to the tip, sharp turn back up at the tip, all the way to the side of the other finger, diagonal line downwards, turn it down, and sharp turn back up at the tip. And I'm going to copy the same shape of the fingers on the right side right there, and at the side of the thumb right here, I'm going to draw a diagonal line up to her gauntlet, and on every finger I'm going to draw some lines across. And for the patterns on her gauntlet, I'm going to draw a line downwards at the side, curved line downwards, and another line down below that. Sharp turn back up at the corner and follow the same path back to the same point above. At the side of her arms below the elbow, I'm going to draw some lines across right there. And going back to her outfit, below the waist here on the left, I'm going to draw a diagonal line downwards, sharp turn up diagonally to the middle point. Below that, another curved line diagonally to the right, turn it downwards and turn it back to the left at this lower point. Sharp turn back to the right and a triangle niche at that corner. Continue the line to the right, turn it back upwards diagonally and straight up towards her waist on the right side, right there. At the side of that, I'm gonna draw a curved line diagonally down, semicircle turn across, diagonal turn back up on the other side. And I'm gonna trace the same line at this inner corner, and I'm gonna copy that same shape again at the side here. Now for her legs, I'm gonna draw a curved line in between, right there. And off center, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards on the left side right there. Turn it inwards towards the knee point and flare it out below the knee point and turn it back in towards the ankle point and out below the ankle point all the way to the base. For the outer line of the leg, I'm gonna draw a similar shape at this outer corner. And for the front part of the shoe, I'm gonna make a semicircle turn diagonally to the front tip, semicircle turn downwards at the front tip, and a curved line from the front to the back, right there. Slightly above that, I'm gonna draw a similar curved line across again. Now for the patterns on her legs, I'm gonna take this point at the tip of the shoe and draw a curved line across and turn it diagonally to the back. And at this middle point of that curved line, I'm going to draw a line upwards, wavy line below the knee point right there. Continue the line back up to that point. At the side of the thigh, I'm going to draw a diagonal curved line across, and I'm going to draw another one below that right there. At the side of the knee, I'm going to draw another diagonal line across, another one below that, and a mirror diagonal line at this lower point. Now I'm going to draw a similar shape of the leg on the right side as well. So for the shoe part, I'm going to extend this downward and flare it at the bottom point slightly right there. For the outer line of the legs, curved line downwards, flare it out slightly as well at this lower point, curved line across at the base. Slightly above that, I'm going to draw another curved line across. Above that, I'm going to draw another curved line across at that point. A line up from the side, similar to the one on the left, some wavy line at this corner, and some straps at the same point as well. Now I'm gonna copy the same shape of her arm on the left side as well. Now for the patterns on her arm, I'm gonna draw on the right side here a diagonal line inwards, turn it downwards with a straight line, and copy the same shape at this outer corner. And at the side of the arms right there, I'm gonna draw a curved line out, sharp turn back inwards at this lower point. And for the left side, I'm gonna draw a similar line at this corner. And below that, curved line across, and another one above that. Below that, I'm gonna draw a line across as well, and another one at this lower point right here. And inside of that space, I'm gonna draw an S shape, sharp turn back up, and follow the same path back up. Behind her shoulder, I'm gonna draw her pickaxe with a curved line upwards, diagonal turn inwards, and turn it down, and diagonal turn downwards. Coming from the side on the left, I'm going to draw a diagonal curved line towards the hoodie, and another one below that. Turn it diagonally downwards at the right side right there. Now from the side of her gauntlet, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line right there and some curved line behind that. I'm gonna do the same thing on the left side as well. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!